First of all, remove the battery. Undo the 4 screws on the bottom of the laptop and remove the plastic plate. Once the plate is removed, you will see the internals of the laptop. Now we have to remove the fan. Undo the 4 screws holding the fan. Disconnect it from the motherboard and put it aside. Undo 4 screws holding the heatsink. Clean the remainings of the old thermal paste. Unlock the processor and take it out of the socket. Now take the new processor, place it in a socket and block it. Now we have to apply new thermal paste onto the processor. Place back the heatsink and screw it in the shown order from 1 to 4. Plug the fan back to the motherboard, put it in place and screw the 3 screws. Put the plastic plate back on. Screw the bolts in. Place the battery back into its place and you are done. Thank you for watching.